Hello guys, today is another wonderful day, and today I have over 70 suggestions of short natural hairstyles for beautiful black women. Looking into our women, or should I say ladies of today, most of them like to try out these thick and bold braids or bold extensions, and unknown to them, they don't know most of these thick braids can be the reasons or can be factors to the common cause of hair related problems. But irrespective of that, that is why this lovely YouTube channel is here for you. We give you different short natural hairstyle suggestions for you to try out. Sometimes it's not really all about bold and big braids. You can decide to go short today. Looking at this beautiful aging black woman trying out her temple fade taper. Look how well it sits on her face. Look how the temple fade taper focus on the texture and edges of her hair, giving her a very youthful look. And I see this smile of happiness. In fact, she's happy that she decided to try out a short natural hairstyle. So, irrespective of your age bracket, there is always a short natural hairstyle for you. So, I would like you to take your seats while I drive you through this wonderful journey of short natural hairstyles. And again, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this lovely YouTube channel. See you on our next one. Bye guys.